Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Tobias, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing and doing a review of the Maono PD400X. If we take a look at the Amazon page really quick, we'll see that this microphone goes for $149.99, and I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And the audio that you're hearing right now is actually coming from the PD400X. I have it right here in front of me, and while I'm talking, I'll just go ahead and roll the footage from when I was unboxing this microphone. The thing about this microphone is that I received it months ago. Maono sent me this microphone for free, and I was actually supposed to test this microphone out before it was released. That's why in the unboxing you'll see I even have a blank box. It doesn't even have the Maono logo on it, because I received this microphone before it was released. There wasn't even an instruction manual inside the box either. So yeah guys, I'm finally getting around to reviewing this microphone, and so far I am quite impressed by how it sounds. And the most unique feature that you guys will probably notice about this microphone is that it is both a USB and a XLR microphone. So right now I actually have it connected to my computer via the USB cable. There is an included USB cable in the box. It is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So the USB-C end gets plugged into the microphone and the USB-A end is plugged into my computer. And I will be testing it out with the XLR cable. I will go ahead and plug it into my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 audio interface, and we'll test it out that way as well. This is a dynamic microphone, so if you do choose to use it as an XLR mic, you do not need to turn on any phantom power. And right now, I'm just going to go ahead, and you'll see right now there is a knob on the front of the microphone. And if I go ahead and turn that knob up, it's going to increase my input gain on the microphone, and you'll probably hear my voice is starting to get louder. And I'll go ahead and stop it right there. And we can kind of hear a little bit of the noise floor in the background. And I'll go ahead and just turn that back to kind of the normal volume I had it at. Another cool thing is that the bottom of the stand on the microphone can actually be removed, and you can attach this microphone to any other mic stand that has the standard mic threading on it. With these broadcast kind of style microphones, I noticed a lot of people, they kind of like to attach them to boom arm stands. So I will go ahead and test it out with this boom arm stand that I have right here. This stand right here is by the company Toner. It's called the Toner T30. I believe it goes for $46.99 on Amazon, so I'll go ahead and leave a link to that down in the description below as well. And before I go over the next feature, let's go ahead and switch over to the XLR cable. I'm curious to see if there will be a noticeable difference. Alright guys, so right now I have the microphone connected to my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 with the XLR cable. Right off the bat, the audio is sounding better to me this way than it was with the USB cable. Let me know if you guys noticed a noticeable difference. And the next feature I wanted to talk about are the EQ buttons on the back of the microphone. But of course, I should have known this. They only function when you're using the microphone with the USB cable. So I'm going to have to switch back to the USB cable to show you guys that function. But just really quick, guys, let's go ahead and attach the microphone to the boom arm stand so that I can get it right up in front of my face. Okay guys, so now I have the microphone on the boom arm stand. I have it right up in front of my face. I have it connected to my computer with the USB cable again. And now let's go ahead and run through those different EQ settings on the back of the microphone. Okay guys, so right now the microphone is on the flat EQ setting. I'm going to go ahead and press the button right now, and it should have switched to the low cut setting, aka high pass. Let me know if you guys heard a difference. And if I press it again, it should switch to the presence boost, which I believe boosts the mid frequency. So I'll go ahead and press that right now. Let me know if you guys hear a difference in my voice. In my opinion, I do hear a slight difference. It sounds like my voice is slightly warmer than the last setting. And if I press it again, it should give us high pass or low cut, and it should also give us the presence boost. So let's go ahead and press that. So I'm guessing what's going to happen is it's going to stay the same as it is right now, but it's just going to cut some of the lower frequencies. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we hear a difference. Do you guys hear a difference? This one, in my opinion, was definitely harder for me to hear the difference. I'm actually not 100% sure that I even heard a noticeable difference. And right now I'm going to go ahead and press the button again, and that should bring us back to the flat EQ. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let me know if you guys heard a difference there. Yeah, we're back on the flat EQ setting, and honestly, it is a bit difficult to hear a noticeable difference, but let me know if you guys heard a difference down in the comments below. I think I did notice like a slight difference, like maybe we did lose some of those mid frequencies and maybe we gained some of the low frequencies which were previously cut out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So next I want to go ahead and switch back over to the XLR cable. Okay guys, so now we're back on the XLR cable and I want to do a few different audio tests. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on my audio interface and I'm going to just turn the input gain all the way up and let's hear what that sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back down. All right, now we're back at the level that we were at before. So when I turned the volume all the way up, we really heard that noise floor. You heard the water in my fish tanks. We heard the noise of the filters. And then there was another noise that I heard that's coming from outside. I think there's like, I don't know, some construction or something going on in the neighborhood. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking again for a few seconds and let's take another listen to that noise floor. Okay, and right now I'm tapping on my computer's keyboard directly behind the microphone while talking at the same time. Right now I'm whispering into the microphone from about 1 inch away. And right now I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the Maono PD400X. Alright guys, so I went back and listened to all that audio that I just recorded, and I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. For $150, I think this microphone's totally worth it. There was a bit of a noticeable noise floor, but it's to be expected with dynamic microphones, and it wasn't bad at all. I love the fact that this microphone is both a USB mic and a XLR mic, because if you buy this microphone to use it just as a USB mic, you can totally do that, and then in the future, say if you decide to upgrade your recording setup and you buy an audio interface, you could still use this microphone with your audio interface, so I think it's great. So that's my opinion on this microphone, guys, but I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this microphone down in the comments below. Once again, I will have the Amazon link for this microphone down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And if you like this video or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. I'll go ahead and put my Instagram handle right here so you can follow me there, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!